Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. Today I am going to be doing another Sunday reset, but I also am going to be doing a closet clean out because I am going to be transitioning my closet and the pieces that are hanging up and in my drawers and stuff. I'm going to be transitioning them from my summer clothes to my fall clothes, and then also going through things that I want to keep, get rid of, or just store away during the different seasons. I'm going to be doing a whole reset today. I have already been to church this morning. I woke up early and went to the 8:30 service. So yeah, but we are going to be doing a reset, taking any trash out. My goal is to really get rid of a lot of stuff too, because I have too much stuff that I need to throw away. Like, it's getting to be too much. Let's just get going. I'm gonna put on some music and just start crunching things out because I feel like we have a lot ahead of us. So this is my closet, you guys. I have a variety of stuff. It's kind of split up. You can't really see it in frame, but most of my summer shirts and stuff are like on this side. And then I have all of my jackets, hoodies, long sleeves, a little section of dresses, like a little tiny segment of dresses, and then like more bigger jackets back here. I have all of these. I think I'm going to be keeping everything on my rack because I already like kind of went through that. These are my summer clothes. Let's just start looking through and see stuff we want to get rid of and what stuff we want to keep or like put in a box. So welcome to the bottom of my closet. I just organized my shoes. I did sneakers, like my colorful sneakers. Then I did white tennis shoes sneakers, more white sneakers, Uggs, and then all down here is all like sandals and heels that I'm not using really anymore since summer's over. This part is all organized. What we have to worry about is this. So this is a combination of hats, purses, bags, and random things that are probably tucked away and hidden in there that I don't know are in there. So we're gonna go through this, get rid of stuff, and then maybe see if I can find some sort of box or bin to store things in to put under my bed. So let's just cue a little montage of me going through this. All of my Mickey ears. I love Disneyland. I really want to get a pass. I'm definitely a Disney adult, but all of the like passes and stuff that I can actually afford are sold out or not for sale right now. Kind of sad about that. It's okay. It's fine. Just praying that I can get it when they release them again. Absolutely not. I don't know what I was thinking when I got this. You haven't yet coffee. I found my sunglasses. Okay, and then the last aspect of this portion of my closet is these boxes up here. But I have to get down these bins because I have sweatshirts and fall clothes. I'm going to pull those down and maybe swap out some of my fall stuff, see if I still want it, and then put some of my summer clothes in those boxes. Okay, but that literally looks so much better. I have all of my fall clothes up to date in here. I only have a few short sleeve shirts that I wear a lot and I feel like I can still wear with some fall outfits over here. I have some pants over here and some little skirts. I have sweaters and long sleeves. Literally all of my hoodies, and I color coded them. I really have way too many white and gray hoodies, but like I wear all of them. Jackets, button downs, dresses, my jerseys, and bigger, heavier coat jackets. And then I have all my shoes. I have my beach bag down here with some hats in it, and then my backpack. And then I'm gonna put my summer clothes in those same bins. I'm gonna put those up here once I'm done filling them up. So but yeah, and then I have my boots, but definitely a massive improvement. Okay, so this is my dresser. I think this is going to be the most tedious thing out of everything because it's like packed to the rim. I definitely don't wear anything in here very often because I don't want to dig through my drawers. I think we'll be getting rid of quite a bit of stuff in here. I really don't want to do this, but we have to. It's just getting out of control. Get rid of this. I hardly ever wore. Rid of. All the clothes I'm getting rid of. My drawers are literally busting. This is my graphic tee drawer, and we need to get rid of at least half of it. This is literally out of control, getting extremely chaotic. I'm being so strict with myself, y'all. I'm being so strict with myself. I'm proud of myself though, so let's just montage it and keep rolling, honestly. Guys, I'm literally dead. Look at this Drake shirt, so funny. Okay, hello? Why do I have this? Y'all, we're getting rid of this. Get Lil Nas X out of here, I can't. Here is our denim. I just went through this not that long ago. I'm gonna put all of the ones I don't wear as much in this drawer and then the ones that I do wear in this basket. I just took a break for a minute because I literally was losing it a little bit. I was very overwhelmed, and now we are just gonna get right back into it, get the rest over with real quick, and just crank it out. Okay, so I've pretty much finished cleaning up my room. My closet is all organized. My drawers are all organized. My desk drawer, nightstand drawer, all of that is organized, and I literally threw away so much stuff, you guys. And then I'm going to be donating all of the clothes that I got rid of. And then I also changed my sheets because I was long overdue for that. It's nice to be refreshed and reset and everything, to be organized and everything for the beginning of a new month.
I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you surrounded, but I know you happy.